I know it just looks like a little dot against a black background. And then another little red dot by the white dot. That right there is not really what you want to see in your area. What up, peeps? Let me lock this up real quick. Sophie's being loud. It is... What time is it, babe? It is 12:33 early Sunday morning, and we've got a police helicopter flying around our neighborhood spotlighting. I don't know exactly what they're looking for, but there was one spotlight I could tell was spotlighting over off of 281, and it would fly around and turn the spotlight on for a little bit and then circle around and do the same thing. And then there was another helicopter that came from another area, and they're kind of both circling around now. It's not really what you want to see in your neighborhood.
No, it's getting more frequent too, the crime. When we first moved here, nothing happened, and now like we're always having something going on.
Yeah, and it's just
It's not a bad area either.
No,
it's a really good area.
It's up towards Bulverde, like I guess right on the edge of Bulverde.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, like
we're right there on the
there.
San Antonio city limits.
Yeah,
where we
yeah.
are. So
What are you doing, Chris?
so all you do is you lock your doors and keep your ears open.
Yeah, we have to lock our doors all the time.
Oh, we do anyway, but it's just...
Yeah, but now we won't lock like most of the time you don't lock like the doors going to the garage, but now we will lock that one too.
Just in case, you never know, but a little disconcerting. Anyway, like I said, we'll just keep our eyes and ears open. No, we won't.
See his little tiger? This is you guys have jammies on.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay. Good.
Where you go? See ya. See ya.
Hey, do camera. Okay.
See ya.
See ya. This video is gonna look weird because I started to video this vlog on the camera, and just after I made my last statement, the battery went dead. So I'm back on the iPhone, which isn't a bad thing, but it's gonna look kind of odd. So I'm off to the old Pizza Hut. I would get it for delivery, but it was like 45 minutes for delivery, and I don't know, I get there and it's just out of the oven and fresh, so by the time I get it home it's still crisp and tasty, so not all wilted after being in a box and steamed up for 20 or 30 minutes or whatever. So that's why I go and grab the pizza. Pizza Hut, they're busy tonight. Looks like it anyway. Getting food. It smells good in here too. How's it going? We got a carry order for Ramon. Perfect. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you too. Look at it. That's like really fast. Now, open on drop it, putting it in the truck. Pizza, and decided to get breadsticks too. I thought it was a deal, so might as well. On my way home. So last night, roughly 11:30, 12 o'clock midnight, there were two helicopters flying over the house. Actually, a helicopter. I heard it, And I asked Taryn, "Do you hear that? It sounds like a helicopter." She was washing some laundry, and I thought, well, maybe it was the washing machine. But then I heard it again and thought, no, that's a helicopter. And sure enough, went outside and there was a police helicopter of some sort. I don't know if it was, San Antonio or Bexar County Sheriff or what's going on, but they were flying over and had a spotlight shining down. And I watched that for a little while, and after a while, another one came from the distance and kind of started circling around with the other one. Today, looking on the social media sites, one of them is called Nextdoor. That's actually like a neighborhood social media group that you can join, which gives information and discussions, just like any other chat board or anything like that about the neighborhood. And people were speculating like crazy as to what it could have been. Somebody said there was a wreck near Johnson High School. Somebody else said there was another incident across from Tejeda Junior High Middle School. And nobody knows for sure. But in my experience, when you have a law enforcement helicopter flying around, spotlighting the area, they're actually looking for somebody. So local news media didn't say anything, and this app didn't say anything either. So who knows what it was. Anyway, since we can't find anything out for that particular reason, I thought I'd check other sources, and still nothing. So since last week I had a 6-day work week, which is a long work week, and I've got another one coming up this week. We didn't do much of anything. We didn't go hardly anywhere, so I think Taryn was going to post a video, like some kind of montage of Cruz, because he was like a wild man this past week. He's gone from his terrible 2s into his terrible 3s, if you can imagine that. So, funny little guy. He's a handful, but we love him, and he's doing a lot of funny stuff now. He's really opening up his vocabulary, little things he does, just, stuff he's learning just cracks me up. So I'm sure she's going to have a long video of stuff that she's been videoing during the day and whatnot. So we'll probably post that up tonight or sometime soon. Watch this. Sophie going nuts. Pizza delivery.
Oh my gosh! I was like, who the heck is ringing the doorbell? I'm excited now.
It's just a camera.
I was like so hesitant to open the door.
This is so
Awesome. See, looky.
That looks beautiful. Oh, and what's this? What's this? Breadsticks? Breadsticks?
Check them. I didn't check them.
That's so yummy. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. This is like the 3rd Sunday in a row we've ordered pizza.
Somebody's craving pizza.
Yes. That's alright. It has a lot of meat on it. That's a man pizza.
Yes, it is.
He has the prettiest curls.
Amy.
Yeah, I see your Emmys.
Amy.
You're so cute, Cruzy. What is that?
What's that?
What's that?
Amy.
Emmys, which means M&M's.
Sony? Sony?
It's Sonic.
Sony? 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 This is with Sony. This is Sony.
Good one.
What are you doing? Cruzy, do it.
Here. There you go.
goodness, aren't you cute?
Is this a
I
ball?
wonder if he sees basketball players when he knows them.
Oh my gosh. He's saying Sabal because, like you just said, the basketball players wear those whenever they're walking to the
Is it a ball?
games, right? Do you think that's it, babe?
Oh.
Could be, I don't know.
Oh, the ball.
Basketball?
Go it.
Go get it.
Okay. Cause this is a ball. The ball.
Sidebar. Come in. Hey! How you doing? It's good to see you. How you doing? What are you doing? Oh, yeah. It's good to see you. Okay, love you.
Okay, bye.
Bye, love you.
Love you.
Come in. Hi, it's Cruz. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, yeah. How you doing? Do you see Sophie's over there? Say hi to Sophie. Oh, Sophie. Okay. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Love you.
That's the cutest thing. What is it, Buffy?
Oh my God. Careful.
Careful, Dad.
Careful.
He said careful.
Gunk. 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 Careful. Gunk.
Are those your weights you're lifting today?
Uh-huh. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
What?
1, 2, 3, gunk. 1, 2, 3, gunk. Okay.
Mommy.
What, baby? Awesome.
Mama's.
No más? No more.
Second.
Again? It's super windy. Fruzy, look, mommy. Oh my gosh, you're so cute.